16. Verification and extract. Bias.
Whatever bias people may have as individuals gets multiplied when they discuss things as a group.
Biased.
Having extremely vivid memories of past emotional experiences and only weak memories of past everyday events means we maintain a biased perception of the past.
Unbiased.
Discoveries made in laboratories are the product of inspired patience, of skilled hands, and an inquiring but unbiased mind.
Prone.
Students who have accurate perceptions regarding their progress in learning perform better on tests than do those with more error-prone views of their knowledge.
Fallacy.
Survivorship bias is a common logical fallacy. We're prone to listen to the success stories from survivors because the others aren't around to tell the tale.
Verify.
Scientists verify their theories by experiments in laboratories.
Verifiable.
Scientific theories should be verifiable.
Verification.
The term objectivity is important in measurement because of the scientific demand that observations be subject to public verification.
Integral.
Inside a law court, the location of those involved in the legal process is an integral part of the design and an essential part of ensuring that the law is upheld.
Integrate.
Teachers could integrate music into their regular math classrooms.
Integration.
A bridge should be designed as integration to the site.
Inherent.
Don't assume that there is some inherent value to the way you have always done things.
Coherent.
Every manager needs an ability to put many pieces of a task together to form a coherent whole.
Cognition.
Tool-making is one of the fundamental distinguishing features of human cognition.
Cicada.
The males of cicadas sing loudly to attract females.
Cognitive.
Think of an emotionless robot that, other than the capacity for emotions, has exactly the same physical and cognitive characteristics as humans.
Cognitively.
Furniture selection is one of the most cognitively demanding choices any consumer makes.
Realm.
Man thought of the natural world in the same terms as he thought of himself and other men. The natural world had thoughts, desires, and emotions just like humans. Thus, the realms of man and nature were indistinguishable and did not have to be understood in cognitively different ways.
Intrigue.
How cicadas know the exact time has always intrigued researchers. For those children, the wonder of science is lost along with cognitive intrigue.
Ambiguous.
The language in the politicians' statements can be highly ambiguous.
Ambiguity.
It is the inherent ambiguity of language as a meaning-making system that makes the relationship between language and thinking so special.
Unambiguous.
For the physicist, the duration of a second is precise and unambiguous.
Content.
Entries will be judged on creativity, content, and overall effectiveness of delivery. While the physician was reading it, Alexander calmly drank the contents of the cup. After a great deal of thought, they came up with the following answer. A human being is a creature that walks on two legs. Everybody seemed content with this definition.
Contentment.
Companies would like to enhance employee contentment on the job. Job satisfaction increases productivity because happy employees work harder.
Contend.
In democracies, political parties contend to get power.
Dimension.
Interpersonal messages combine content and relationship dimensions. That is, they refer to the real world. At the same time, they also refer to the relationship between parties.
Dimensional.
To verify her theory, the scientist has drawn three-dimensional graphs using her own computer program.
Distort.
A map must distort reality in order to portray a complex, three-dimensional world on a flat sheet of paper.
Distortion.
As a system for transmitting specific factual information without any distortion or ambiguity, the sign system of honeybees would probably win easily over human language every time.
Extract.
Recycling makes more new jobs than extracting raw materials.
Extraction.
When compared to fossil fuel extraction technologies, the energy output from solar panels or wind power engines comes much sooner.